What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new video and welcome back to my MK6 GTI. Yes, we're gonna do another POV drive, or sort of POV drive. I'm gonna meet up with a friend in the Scirocco R. You probably know the car, you probably know the dude as well. He's been on my channel for a few times now. But yeah, we're gonna meet up somewhere and we're gonna take some pictures of both cars. I don't know, just have a fun day really. Or a fun few hours, cause yeah, we're not planning on doing this the whole day, but yeah, just gonna take a few pictures, have some fun with the cars, and I don't know what the day is gonna bring, but nah, it's just gonna be all about the fun, you know. And wait, what is happening over here? Can someone explain? Mate. Bro, sometimes you see the most random things in the Netherlands where I live. That is the perfect example of that. Oh. Oh. Yes guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the wind, but both cars together now, just taking some pictures. Man is going up there like a monkey. He's taking all the shots of today, all the nice pictures. I'm doing some video stuff, I guess. If you guys want to know what he is doing, just follow him on Instagram. Put his Instagram in my bio. Both cars are matching, man. I'm happy that I took the GTI because I didn't want all the trouble of the Focus RS today, and I think these cars are matching way better than with the Focus and the Scirocco. But yeah, man, you guys probably also know this car as well. It is the Scirocco. He bought it off a friend of ours. This is actually his brand new car. Bought it 2 months ago or so. And now he's driving this sick track spec Scirocco R. This thing is so fast in the corners as well. It's insane. It probably would smoke my my GTI easily. Right, so we're going to the next spot. It's not far away from here. Gonna take it easy because this engine is cold. So yeah, maybe have some fun on the way. I don't know. It's literally a 5-minute drive or so. This car makes such nice sounds when on the low RPMs. On the higher RPMs, yeah, you guys know that this car sounds like a flute. Still haven't fixed the problem. Probably will happen in the future. I literally said that last video with this car as well, but it's gonna happen someday. There he goes. Ciao. I don't know if my camera records everything, because my camera gave up. Oh, my brakes. Oh, my dad is calling me. Wait a minute. I'm sorry guys if this video is a mess again. This camera sometimes just gives up, and then the whole storyline of my video is pretty much gone. So I don't know what to do about it. Still gonna drive this thing. Still gonna hope it will make a nice video. Just gonna try and have some fun, I guess. Yo. F you, man. Okay. Oh yeah, nice spot, man. Man, it are always the Teslas, isn't it? Right, stock exhaust tunnel sound. Well, that sounds like... Damn, that really sounds like nothing. Crazy. The only good thing is the turbo sound, and not even the intake sound, because the intake sound, like I said in the beginning of the video, sounds like shit as well. Sounds like a flute, but nah. The turbo sounds are so nice now, because yeah, I can hear them better because of the stock exhaust. Before I had the straight pipe, or when I had the straight pipe, I couldn't hear anything of the turbo sounds, and now I actually hear all the spooling sounds and stuff like that, and it sounds really cool. But I miss that straight pipe exhaust as well. Yes. Just open the garage. Nice. Whoa. Nice. It is actually quite nice to take this thing out again, because yeah, it still brings all those old memories. I still have a lot of fun with it, and yeah, it's just so much fun to drive still. After having not driven this thing for a long period. I did took it out a few videos ago. Went to the same place actually. I don't know why I keep going to the same places, but apparently I am going to the same places, but nah. I also hope that my camera recorded everything, because this camera wants to overheat sometimes, and then I lose all my footage of the whole thing that I recorded. So I hope this is actually a nice video, but I see that back in the edit. It's always a surprise if it works or not. I really should buy another camera, because this thing doesn't really work anymore. But I don't want to talk for too long, so I'm gonna end up this video right here. If you guys like this video and want to see more videos with the GTI, leave a comment, subscribe, also like this video, also follow me on my socials, TikTok and Instagram, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.